Okay, dear students, all of you take your text and here our lesson. There was once a village which was ruined by a strong earthquake, with the houses and the streets destroyed. The villagers abandoned the village to settle elsewhere. The empty houses have now become homes for a large number of mice. The nest of mice found the place very comfortable and soon grew in numbers. So, once there was an earthquake in a village and many buildings had fallen down and many people got injured, and these fallen buildings are there, and the mice found a very safe place for them to stay, and these abandoned buildings gave them safe place. They started to live there and they lived there very comfortably. Now there was a lake on the outskirts of the village, and that was the waterfall for elephants which came there regularly to quench their thirst and bathe. The elephants used to walk through the abandoned village to reach the lake. Now, here, outskirts. What's the meaning outskirts? Outside. Outskirts means outside. So, they came, once there lived a lot of elephants in the outskirts of the village, and that was the waterhole. It was the waterhole of the elephants which came there regularly. These elephants came there regularly to quench their thirst. To quench means when we feel thirsty, we will drink water and we will quench our thirst. Quench means after drinking water we will feel satisfied. That is quench our thirst. Okay. And they come, the elephants came there to quench their thirst and also to have bath. The elephants used to walk through the abandoned village to reach the lake. So, these elephants walked through the abandoned village of there where our mice are living. Every day when the elephants walked through the village, they would trample upon the mice. This became a problem for the mice. So, the king of the mice decided to talk the king of elephants and request him to be kind and understanding. So one day the king of the mice, one by one, the elephants will come and stamp on the mice, and they got injured. So one day the king of the mice went to the elephants and they said, "Your Highness, see, some of our friends have got injured and some of them died. So, if you want to go to the lake, please take another route. Please don't come the village where we are living. Don't come near the abandoned place where we have our own nest, our own place to live." So, they requested. Next day, as the herd of elephants came into the village, the king of mice met the king of elephants and said, "Oh sir, we live in the ruins of this abandoned village, and as the elephant herd crosses this village every day, many of the subjects are trampled upon. I request you to change your path to the lake. If you do so, I shall remember to return the favor in your time of need." So the mice went to the elephant and said, "Oh sir, we live in the ruins of the abandoned village. We live in the ruins of the abandoned village. And every day the elephants come through this way, and many of our subjects means are people trampled upon. The elephants kept their feet on the mice and they were trampled upon. I request you to change your path. Your Highness, I request you to change your path. You take another route to go to reach the lake. If you do so, I shall remember to return the favor in your time of need. If you do so, I will also help you whenever you need. Hearing this, the king of elephants laughed and said, "Oh, king of mice, there will be no such favor that we, the giant elephants, will need from small creatures like you. However, I will honor your request and change the route to the lake from today. You will not have to worry about any danger posed by us anymore." So, the king of the elephants said that, "Oh, what you silly creature can do for us? But okay, we will change our route and we will take another route, and we will." The request of the mice was heard, and they have taken another route. You will not have to worry about any danger. Again, the king of the elephants said that, my dear mice, you don't worry about about us. We will not harm you. We will not come to your way." So the mice king thanked the elephant king for his consideration, and the herd of elephants did not enter the village again. The mice king thanked the elephant king, and he said, "Thank you very much, Your Highness." And after that, the elephants did not enter the village again.